gonna go throw the sheep out. Did you get the door? Come on, guys. You guys all happy now? You're all together? Alright, there you go.
Really?
Go find something to nibble on. Come on, girls, get out of the way. There's your... Oh, that little bunny is real cute. Alright, guys. You ready? Yeah, I just turned it on. Get down out of the... There you go. She got her cabbage leaf. Cows are unhappy today, and little do they know that tomorrow is their best day ever.
Where are you moving first?
We just probably right out in front of where they are.
Yeah.
Get them used to moving, and we'll move them down. Down to the corner. Danny girl.
I'm walking with a bunny.
I know you are.
I got Walter.
Hmm?
Gave me his name.
Walter's a cute rooster. He beat up Apple last night, which I was surprised about. But Vulture's the low man on the totem pole, isn't he? Yeah.
Okay, well, do you have all picked up at the bunny?
Hi, Vulture. Hi, pretty boy.
He's like, I like when people look at me, but I just don't like when they reach their hand out.
Uh-huh.
I'm doing this all with one hand today.
Okay, you must out.
Yeah. She actually is just keep releasing it.
Want me to get the rest?
Yeah. I think I'm out. Was that?
Just about, yeah. Okay. I'll put her away with her food. You got her?
I'm trying to think
You get her and I'll get her food. Yeah. There you go. Those bunnies are real cute. What's that?
You get the piggies.
No, you can if you want to. It's in there.
I'm just gonna get Freya after you.
Come on, Fry Fry. You ready? Then Thor can come out and play with you. Yeah. Not too many more days of that left.
Pretty sure Thor's done.
No, he still nurses a little bit when she lets him.
Thor's like, where's the other two girls go?
I think Thor's happy.
Okay.
Huh?
It's okay.
Oh my god, that face.
Okay, then it's actually. Good.
Oh, put it down.
Is she Freya too?
Oh.
Okay, Freya. Alright, okay, that's all you get. Here, take it.
Okay, move away. You're making it hard on me here. There we go. All the animals get their little holiday snack today. Those little piglets crack me up. They're out there with the chickens eating. You know where they were? They were in the sheep run over with their siblings. Yeah. I said we could probably open up that back corner and chase them right in.
Yeah. You ever have something, you spy something odd?
Move that out of there because she'll try to get it. Okay, move this leg back, please. What are you guys doing? Feeding the bunnies the cabbage leaves? You could show the camera how cute. Just about done here. Then we'll go water the high tunnel.
No.
Okay. Put it down. Little piggies, little piggies. You guys are sure growing. Yeah. Okay. That feel better, Miss Freya, huh? Here, let me. You got her?
Hey,
What? No, Priscilla doesn't like pink egg. You ready? Oh, grab that feeder out of there. If you can. If you can grab her. Tell me when. Could be any of the above, I suppose. No, it must be a chicken. Must have cut themselves somehow or another. Here, I'll just put this in and she should follow, maybe.
Molly.
Okay, back up, girls, back up. Oh my gosh. Is she going? Okay. Just grab them water. We'll have to get the fresh bedding up here. Oh my goodness. Oh. Use that right there. Let's see, anybody else germinating yet? Oh, yep, we got somebody back here. A Jubilee tomato. Just starting. You know what else is just starting? I see an ant in the corner. Yep, my basil's still doing good. That Jubilee tomato must be like really spunky and ahead of its time. I think that we'll be seeing stuff this week pop up. Yeah, that one's really ahead of its time, huh? Let's see, how about this over here? Try to go light with the water, okay? Like lighter, so you're not pounding it so hard.
Your carrot's doing good over here.
That's good.
Oh my god, you have a lot of carrots over there.
Good, maybe they'll grow. Those onions look quite happy. Quite happy. I don't see any beans yet poking up. But I do have lots of carrots now, so that's a plus. See what happens. Lots of carrots. It could just be that I torched those seeds. Okay, you want to come across so you can get this one too? I'll take the hose out. Huh?
You got the milky one.
Mm-hmm. You ready for me to go shut it off?
Well, I see what it is.
Hope you enjoyed the farm chores this morning. It was just a little bit of quiet work and get it done. We have a lot of cooking to do still, right? She has a lot of candy to eat. These girls back here will be quite happy tomorrow because they're going out on grass. They're done destroying hay bales for the year.
Spunk.
Yeah, you guys will like to see that. So that's coming tomorrow, rain or shine, right? I hope you guys have a great holiday, a great Easter. I hope you guys enjoy food and family and just having a great day. And we're going to see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.